Have you heard of the drum that talks? In Yoruba, we have a special drum called Gángan. It is a talking drum because it can copy the sounds and rhythms of spoken words. Whenever I hear its lively beats, I feel a big smile spread across my face. My back starts to bend and my legs get ready to dance. I love the happy music it makes, just like magic. It can carry me away on a spinning, twirling adventure. Let me tell you a story about a monkey and the mysterious drum. Monkey in Yoruba is known as Obo. And at the end of the story, we would have learned some new Yoruba words. Are you ready? Let's go! Long ago, in a bustling Yoruba village named Ìlú Ayo, the àwọn ènìyàn prepared for their grand àjọ̀dún. Bright fabrics danced in the wind, children giggled around the marketplace, and the drums called everyone to gather near the sacred clearing. In the heart of the village stood a powerful drum, carved from the trunk of an ancient okwe. This drum, the gángan, sparkled under the sun like polished bronze. Its deep rhythms were said to bring unity and good fortune, but only in the hands of an honest player. Elders whispered that many harvests ago, a wise carver created the gángan to protect the village from wahala. He infused it with sacred prayers for peace and unity. Anyone with a pure heart could make the drum sing so sweetly. It could calm ẹ̀mí ìbínú and strengthen bonds among neighbors. But a greedy player would find nothing but hollow, empty sound. As the àjọ̀dún drew near, the villagers decorated the clearing with fresh palm fronds and bright Ankara clothes. Ìyá àgbà led a line of drummers, teaching them the rhythm that opens the ceremony each year. The sweet smell of roasted barley and peppery stew filled the air. Young people raced up to set stalls. Old friends greeted one another with shouts of joy, and the entire village paused with excitement. Watching from a tall iroko tree at the edge of the Igbo was a mischievous Obo. He was known for his cunning and swift hands. As he hides the sacred drum, a spark of envy glowed in his eyes. If I had that gángan, Obo thought, everyone would dance for me. I would become the greatest drummer in all of Ìlú Ayo. Late that night, while the villagers slept, Obo crept past the guards. He moved as a silent shadow, carefully avoiding the ghosts that might sound the alarm with a single beat. Reaching the platform where the sacred drum rested, Obo gently lifted it, feeling its weight and power. Mine! He whispered. Then, holding the drum tight, he fled into the forest. Morning came, and the àwọn ènìyàn gathered to begin the festival. The gángan was gone. Panic spread like wildfires. Mothers clutched their children, vendors abandoned their stalls, and the drummers stood in disbelief. Who could have taken our beloved drum? Asked Baba Oloye. Ìyá àgbà gently touched the empty platform, sadness in her eyes. This is ìròyìn. We must find the drum before the festival ends, or our prayer for unity will go unanswered. A brave young girl named Abebi, known for her sharp eyes, examined the ground around the platform. In soft depths, she spotted a single monkey footprint. She ran to tell the elders. A monkey did this, she exclaimed. At once, Baba Oloye gathered a small group of skilled hunters. They set out into the Igbo to find Obo. Men carried okpa and women brought calabashes of water for the journey, determined to bring back the drum before sunset. The search party followed traces of disturbed leaves and snapped branches. They trudged past the tall ogede trees and tiptoed across narrow streams. The forest seemed to thicken as if trying to hide Obo's wrongdoing. At last, they heard a faint beat echoing through the trees. Someone was playing the sacred gángan. Peeking through the foliage, they saw Obo on a crooked log, the drum in his laps. He pounded it, but the sound was harsh and empty. His greedy heart could not make the drum sing its true melody. Frustration twisted his face. Why won't it sound sweet? Obo muttered, banging the drum harder. Baba Oloye, Abebi and the hunter stepped forward. Stop! Baba Oloye, the village chief commanded. Obo jumped, hugging his drum to his chest. He knew escape was impossible. He was surrounded with shaky hands. He offered the drum back. Please forgive me, he said. I only wanted to be adored and powerful. The group carried the drum home triumphantly. When they entered the village, everyone cheered. Iyagba placed her hands on the gángan and prayed for it to guide them towards Alafia. Then she motioned to a skilled drummer, who struck the drum gently. Like magic, a soft, rich melody filled the air, and the village burst into dance. Children clapped, elders nodded in approval, and for a moment, even Obo, the monkey, felt the warmth of true unity. Obo was forgiven, but he had to sweep the festival grounds for several moons and help the drummers each morning. The mischievous monkey learned that Emi Ajoshe is far stronger than stolen treasure. When the festival returns and the sacred drum is played, people remember Obo's mistake and speak of how greed can never produce a genuine joyful sound. At last, the village of Ìlú Ayo celebrated its festival in full, dancing into the night beneath lanterns and stars, united by the drum's enchanting call. The Yoruba words used in the story are Gángan, a talking drum, Ìlú Ayo, town of joy, àwọn ènìyàn, the people, àjọ̀dún, festival, ọ̀pẹ, palm tree, wàhálà, trouble, ẹ̀mí ìbínú, angry spirits, Ankara, brightly patterned clouds, ìyá àgbà, the eldest woman, bọ̀lì, roasted plantain, ìrókò, a large sacred hardwood tree, igbó, forest, ọ̀bọ, monkey, ìròyìn burúkú, bad news, Baba Oloye, the village chief, ọ̀pá, staff, ọ̀gẹ̀dẹ̀, banana, àlàáfíà, peace, ẹ̀mí àjọṣe, the spirit of cooperation. Some words have been used in our other stories, and if you keep following, you'd see the repeat words. Next time, we will be talking about all the words we've used so far, and we'll be trying to use them in the sentence, exploring their meanings. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Please share, like, and subscribe. Ó dàbọ̀.